If your vehicle feels sluggish, fuel consumption has increased, or throttle response is no longer as sharp as it once was, a failing engine sensor could be the hidden cause. This high-quality replacement sensor is designed to help restore proper engine performance, improve throttle response, and support efficient fuel consumption, bringing your driving experience back to where it should be. Manufactured in Japan and built to meet strict quality standards, this part is engineered for reliable operation and long service life. Precise sensor readings play a critical role in how your engine manages air and fuel delivery. When those readings are inaccurate, performance and efficiency suffer. Replacing a worn or faulty sensor allows the engine control system to operate as intended, helping your vehicle run smoother, respond faster, and burn fuel more efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of this replacement is its cost-effectiveness. Many vehicle owners discover that dealer pricing for the same repair can be surprisingly high. This sensor offers a dependable alternative that performs just as expected while saving you a significant amount of money. Owners consistently report that installation is straightforward, especially with the help of online tutorials, making it a practical option for anyone comfortable with basic automotive maintenance. The compact package size makes handling and storage simple, and the lightweight design ensures easy installation without special tools in most cases. Once installed, drivers often notice immediate improvements in drivability, smoother acceleration, and more consistent engine behavior. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle to ensure proper fit and function. If you are looking for a reliable way to fix performance issues without paying dealership prices, this replacement sensor is a smart and efficient solution. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive repair parts and upgrades that help you save money and keep your vehicle running at its best.